Hey guys, welcome to Rocky's Vlog channel. This video is about Himalayan Nature Park in Kufri, which located near Shimla in Himachal Pradesh, India, is a remarkable destination known for its breathtaking landscape. Established in 1992, the park covers an area of approximately 90 hectares and serves as a conservation area for various species of flora and fauna native to the Himalayan region. The key highlight point is first, flora and fauna. The park is home to a diverse range of wildlife, including the Himalayan monal, the state bird of Himachal Pradesh, Himalayan brown bears, leopards, and musk deer. It also features a variety of bird species and a range of plants, including rare and vanishing healing herbs. The second key highlight point is scenic beauty. Nestled at an altitude of about 2,600 meters above sea level, the park offers stunning views of the snow-capped Himalayan peaks and lush green valleys. The scenery environment and fresh mountain air make it an ideal spot for nature lovers and photographers. Visitors can enjoy various activities such as trekking, bird watching, and nature walks. The park has well-marked trails that take you through dense forest and provide opportunities to spot wildlife in the natural habitat. Educational and conservation efforts. The Himalayan Nature Park plays a vital role in the conservation of Himalayan biodiversity. It also serves as an educational center, raising awareness about the importance of preserving the region's unique ecosystems. Visitors' information. The park is easily accessible from Shimla, which is about 16 kilometers away. The best time to visit is from April to June and September to November, when the weather is pleasant and the flora is in full bloom. Overall, the Himalayan Nature Park in Kufri is a must visit for anyone interested in feeling the natural beauty and wildlife of the Himalayas. What about the entry fees? As of my last update, the entry fees for the Himalayan Nature Park in Kufri are typically as follows. For Indian citizens, it's approximately 50 to 100 rupee per person, and the foreign tourists it's around 150 to 200 rupee per person. These fees are subject to change, so it's a good idea to check the latest information from the Himachal Pradesh Forest Department or local tourism office before planning your visit. Additionally, there might be small charges for camera usage or guided tours, which can enhance your experience by providing detailed insights into the park's flora and fauna. Park opening hours. The typical opening hours for the Himalayan Nature Park in Kufri are summer April to June 9 am to 6 pm and winter November to February 10 am to 4 pm. These hours can vary slightly depending on weather conditions and the time of year. So it's always a good idea to check locally for the most up-to-date information before planning your visit. Do like and comment in this video, and if you like this information, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.